What's up, guys? Andy here again with Label Motorsports. You guys can probably tell we are in Las Vegas, Nevada this year for the 2023 SEMA show again. We've built something very special. Again, every year I always feel like it's a broken record, but we're doing something that we haven't ever done before, and we're excited to show you guys what we've created. This year, not only did we partner with HP Tuners in the middle of Central Hall, but we have Cristy Lee, commonly known from All Girls Garage, Motortrend TV, HGTV. She will be revealing the car tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. in the HP Tuners booth. I'm excited to be a part of that, and I really am eager to hear everybody's feedback to what we brought to the show this year. So as we're working our way through Central, why don't you guys follow me? We'll go over to the booth. I'll show you guys our setup for this year, and we'll talk more there. So here we are, guys. This is the HP Tuners booth, booth 23351 in the middle of Central Hall. You can see we've got MagnaFlow, Mothers, KW BBSs around the corner, PWR, company we use with our GT2 RS builds and the RS6 builds. This is kind of the heart of SEMA. Central Hall is where everybody tends to congregate. I know TJ Hunt's got a car right behind us. A lot of the big name YouTube personalities, car builders, all are in here. Ring Brothers. Obviously Chip Foose, a bunch of really well respected builders. This year, you can kind of tell if you followed us what we have underneath the cover, but what's underneath this cover is very different than previous years. More along the line of form and function. We've kind of checked every box on a dream build. I've called this my personal dream build. If I could create something, this would be it this year. So there isn't a bigger stage, and maybe I've got a little jitters to see people's reaction to it, but I'm confident that myself, Justin, everybody involved in helping this come to fruition. We've all worked towards a goal that kind of met our expectations, and I think is going to blow people away. So I'm going to let you guys walk around, show you the booth pre-SEMA opening, which is tomorrow, less than 24 hours away. And then tomorrow morning, we will catch up live with you. Evan's going to be here shooting the reveal, and we'll pull the cover back and show you guys up close what we've created. So we're back, guys. Day one of the SEMA show, October 31st. You can see we're here in the HP Tuners booth. The doors just opened. We're getting ready to reveal this year's SEMA build. You can see next to us, there's a pretty rad Mercedes build. We're not going to tell you what that is till that gets revealed as well. But we're excited to be here working with the HP Tuners crew. We're getting ready to bring Cristy Lee in, I think, in the next half hour or so. Once she gets here and we're set for the reveal, we'll jump in with you.
All right, thank you. Hello, everybody. Welcome to day one of SEMA. How are you doing? Wow, guys. Wow, that's the spirit, if I've ever heard it. Let's try that one more time. How are you guys doing? Excellent. Now you're all paying attention. I love that. Well, welcome to SEMA. This is an exciting time of year for all of us. A very exciting time of the year for myself as well. I'm Cristy Lee. For those of you that don't know, you may or may not have seen me on many automotive programming over the years, but it's always exciting to be back here at SEMA, and I'm truly honored today to be part of some very exciting reveals here at the HP Tuners booth. Please welcome from Label Motorsports, Andy Siradakis. Andy, come on up here. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome here. I'm going to have you stand right over here. There we
Got
go.
it.
We have to make the perfect shot for the cameras now. Look pretty, smile right into the camera. There we go. All right, Andy. So welcome to SEMA.
Thank you. Honored to be here.
Great. We're honored to have you. Tell us a little bit about Label Motorsports. You're out of Michigan.
Correct.
My home state as well. So tell us about your shop.
So Label Motorsports is really a design, automotive and performance facility. We specialize in really detailed high-end builds specific to the client in their taste. So we don't do typically smaller projects. They're all-inclusive, interior, exterior, carbon fiber, product development. We'll do one-off things for clients, just stuff very specific to the client's needs.
Okay, very specific. All right, I think we should probably dive right in, get into this. Please give your hands up for this 2021 Chevy Corvette C8 3LT Stingray Project Vunio.
You got it. You ready?
Nailed it. Do it, guys. Come on. Woo-wee. I gotta be honest, I haven't seen this yet either. That is slick. Andy, wow. Tell me about your choice to go with the C8, the inspiration for this build.
So we are a European and exotic shop, and the C8 to me has elevated the car into the exotic and European world, not just because of the mid-engine format, but because of the actual performance that you get out of the car. And obviously the look of the car is a little more commanding on-road presence. So for us, it was a great palette to start with and show what our vision was of the American supercar.
The name, Project Vunio, that has to have some sort of story, inspiration. There's a reason you chose this very specific name.
That's correct. Vunio means mountain in Greek, and the car represented to me 20 years of the industry being able to climb that mountain and reach the top of my creative goal, which was to create a car from scratch. This is essentially something that I had a vision in my head. We didn't purchase any parts to do this. We developed everything in CAD, built our tooling, and had all of our carbon built in Detroit, Michigan, which we're very proud to say everything on this car was built in Michigan and the United States. So HP Tuners is obviously the gateway for us to do what we did on this car. Without them, we wouldn't have done it. This is our first twin turbo version of the car. So on top of that, there is a one-off Celeritech header system in here that has never been seen before. This is on top of our Vengeance Racing twin turbo kit and stage 1.5 head cam package. Is our version of the C8 for 2023.